The valedictory function of the 5-day international workshop organized by the Positive Energy Art Foundation in collaboration with the Indian Council of Social Science Research Northeastern Research Centre, Shillong, had come to a close on the 8th of July 2022. The Director of ICSSR-NERC Shillong, Dr. B. Panda, graced the occasion as chief guest, while the Director of the Indian Council for Cultural Relations Northeast Region, Munish Singh, was the guest of honor during the event. Others present included the Director of Positive Energy Arts Foundation, Dr. Prakash Kishore, the Deputy Registrar of Nehu, Raj Malik, the Chairman of Riti Academy of Visual Arts, Rafael Wajri, artists from South Korea, South Africa, Thailand, Sri Lanka, Kerala, Assam, and Meghalaya. Earlier during the day, a painting workshop was held where artists were able to create artwork of their experiences over the past 5 days. All artists were also felicitated during the program.
Not hesitating to come because India is too new to me and it's quite far from South Korea. But the thing is, my dear friend Ade and Jihyung invited me, and also my director. So I'm here and I'm so happy to see you all. But the thing is, I was not expecting the big things at the end of our workshop, but surprisingly, I made a big performance with Benedict, and it was great honor as well. And the thing is, this is very beginning step of all, but also now it asked me to go to Thailand in Sunday, and Nim invited me as well. So this is the things that the director expected everything before he made
We have talked a lot in 5 days, and we have not talked only here, but outside too, because Dr. Prakash said that she wants to bring us to the real identity from here. And I think this is quite important because I have a dialogue to the person. We are interested about art and science too, but I think this is quite important time and important opportunity that we have, like a conversation a lot about art and also about any kind of thing. For example, Professor Pai and Ging, this come from like a commercial, and we talk a lot about NFT and also something that we have to use in the real world with the communication about commercial world too. And I think, and also we talk about the art with the science, art with the creative economy, and anything and any kind of thing. So I think this is a good opportunity where we are sharing, but not only knowledge and not only like a dialogue, but the real thing is like a friendship. Because I think the friendship is very important when we can share and we can keep in touch to the future.
While addressing the gathering, the Director of the ICSSR-NERC Shillong, Dr. B. Panda, lauded the efforts of the Positive Energy Arts Foundation in bringing together on one platform art scholars and art practitioners from across the country and the globe. He opined that it is high time that unsung heroes and artists are identified and recognized, while at the same time striving to make art an eternal journey to connect cultures.
When there are different arrangements of connecting people in a globalized world. We connect through economic arrangements like trade, which normally economists we talk about it. Connecting economies through trade, investment, etc. But see, behind this kind of a connection, or to sustain this connection, to start this connection, and then subsequently to sustain that connection, lies the role, the painstaking role, the contributing role of artists like you people. We connect economies, you connect hearts. We connect maybe trade, you connect souls. And connecting the soul, connecting the heart, I think it's sustainable. I think it's universal, it's perpetual. Civilizations have been built through this kind of a connection. I mean, so through art, through culture, through I mean, say that kind of a connection. So when you see the history of civilizations, fine, there is an economic history also, but at the backdrop of this economic history lies this kind of a connection, the connection of hearts, the connection of cultures, the connection of what you call civilizations.
In his address, the chairman of the Riti Academy of Visual Arts Shillong, Rafael Wardri, informed that apart from the 5-day International Art Workshop that was organized a few days ago by Positive Energy Arts Foundation, there have been only 2 such events that were organized in the past. These include an International Art Workshop entitled 9/7 that was organized by Riti Academy of Visual Arts Shillong and artist Kraukupar Lanong in 1999, and an art camp entitled Thoshun, organized by Riti Academy with the support of renowned artist Benedict S. Nyota in 2006. While appreciating the efforts of Dr. Prakash Kishore of Positive Energy Arts Foundation in organizing a workshop of international caliber, Wardri also expressed his desire to have more of such workshops in locations across the northeastern parts of India to enable cross-cultural exchange as far as art is concerned.
It's on this numerical 9 and 7. So based on this 9 and 7, because it relates with our culture also. It's about, we have this myth of how the 9 creatures in the celestial realm and the 7 human being here on earth. So it was very interesting. We have participation from across Europe and few from nearby Asian countries. So that was long time. After that, we hardly see anything happening of this kind, of this nature, of this level. Then it was in 2006 with the initiative of, it was me and Benedict. We organized through Riti Academy, and we have this international Thoshun camp. Thoshun literally means to mark wetline. So even this also has a very significant element as far as our culture is concerned.